Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to repost videos on TikTok. You can actually repost any kind of video that you see on TikTok. And when you repost a video on TikTok, the video that you repost will be shown to your friends and your followers on TikTok. So with this repost feature on TikTok, when you see a video that catches your interest on TikTok, you can actually repost them and your followers will be able to see these videos that you repost. They'll be able to watch them as well. So guys, when you repost videos on TikTok, your followers and friends will be able to see that you reposted them and they'll be able to engage with the video and also create a rapport with you as well. So when you repost a video on TikTok, you'll be given an option to leave a comment. These comments that you leave to those videos, when you repost them, your followers and friends will be able to see those comments that you made on those your reposted videos and they'll be able to engage with it as well. So guys, in the next few seconds, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can repost any video on TikTok. So make sure you watch to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step you have to take is that you have to go over to your Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone, go to App Store rather. Then you search for TikTok. When you search for TikTok, what I want you to check out for is that make sure that the TikTok app is updated, because this repost feature or this repost option is actually a new feature on TikTok. So not every app has it. So if your app is outdated, you won't be able to find the repost option or the new repost feature. So make sure your app is updated so you can use this repost option. As for my own is updated. So what I have to do now is to tap on open. Let's wait for our app to get opened. So guys, as you can see now, we are on our TikTok app on our For You page. So guys, let's start with this video. If you want to repost this video, all you have to do now is to tap on the share button. You can see there at your right hand side. So all you have to do is to tap on share. When you tap on share, the first option you will see on your left is repost. You can see the yellow icon there, the yellow repost logo. All you have to do is to tap on it. Let me tap on it. You can see repost this video. By reposting this video, you can introduce videos you find interesting to other people. The other people that they mean there is your followers and your friends and every other person. The second option, people you may know will be able to see that you reposted this video. That means your friends and your followers will be able to know that you reposted the video. And they say the third one is you can add a comment to your repost. This comment will be public. So let me tap on repost. If you want to repost this video, you tap on repost. So guys, for you to actually add a comment to this video that you reposted, all you have to do now is to tap on the add comment. You can see it there. You tap on it. When you tap on it, then you give your comment. Let me give a comment. Wow, this is interesting. Then you click on send. So guys, as you've reposted this video now, your followers, your friends will be able to see this video and they'll be able to see your comments. So guys, this step also applies to every other video. Let's go to the next video. You can see, let's go to the next video. Okay guys, this is the next video. If you tap on the share icon now, you will see that you also have the repost option. You can also repost this video. Let's go over to the next one. Tap on it. You can also see repost as well. So this is so simple. If you tap on this as well, you can also see repost. So guys, let me add something extra. Now that you've reposted this video, I want to show you guys how you can find your reposted videos. All the videos that you repost on TikTok can be found in a particular place. So guys, follow me so I can show you. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on your profile icon. You can see it at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. So guys, as you can see now, you can see the repost icon there. The repost icon is at the middle. Whether you're coming from the right or you're coming from the left, you see it at the middle. So all you have to do now is to tap on it. When you tap on it, you will see the videos that you've reposted. You see, videos you repost are visible to your friends. Let's check out the last video that I reposted just now. Let me tap on the recent one that is at the top. Tap on it. So guys, as you can see, this is the video I just reposted in this tutorial video. This is how you can find all the videos you've reposted on TikTok. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.